Namaste girls. In our last lecture, we have done some examples based on the concept of similarity. Let us do some more examples today. Today I have taken one example where they are saying that a girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. And she has covered this distance in 4 seconds. Height of lamp post is also given, and they asking us to find the shadow of the girl at that time. Let us see how to do it. First of all, see, lamp post and girl both are vertical on the ground, so angle formed by them will be 90 degree. This information they have given to us. Height of the lamp post is 3.6 meter. So multiplying it by 100 centimeter, we will be having height of the lamp post as 360 centimeter. Height of the girl is given 90 centimeter. Let this length of the shadow be x. Now what they have given to us, they are saying this BD distance is covered in 4 seconds at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. So if by the formula of distance equals to speed into time, 1.2 into 4. So we will be getting this distance as 4.8 meters. 4.8 meters means this x distance is 480 centimeter. So this distance we have calculated 480 centimeter. This distance DE we have taken x. Now if we use similarity, where triangle ABC and triangle CDE. Do you think things are equal, angles are equal or sides are proportionate? See, in triangle ABC, ABE and triangle CDE. If you check, first thing, angle B and angle D, both are 90 degree. Angle D equals 90 degree. Then check this angle E. This angle E is coming in triangle CDE as well as in triangle ABE. That means we can write that this angle E is equal to angle E common. So what we have done? We have shown that two angles are equal in the triangles. That means using the rule of similarity, AA rule of similarity, we can write that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE by AA similarity. After proving the similarity of the triangles, we can write that AB upon CD is same as BE upon DE. Using corresponding parts of similar triangles. Now AB is 360 centimeter. CD means height of the girl 90 centimeter. BE, this is 480. We have calculated 480 plus x. And DE is x. Now cross multiplying or firstly cutting 90 4s are. Now cross multiplying will be having 4x is equal to 480 plus x. Now shifting x to the other side, we will be having 3x. 3x equals to 480. So we will be getting the value of x as 480 upon 3 the value of x will come out to be 160 centimeter, or just by dividing by 100 we can write it as 1.6 meter also. Therefore, length of the shadow of the girl at that time is 1.6 meters. Next example I have taken, where they have given us two triangles ABC and PQR. They have drawn medians of triangles. CM is the median of triangle ABC on the base AB, and RN is the median of triangle PQR for base PQ. And they have given us that triangle ABC is similar to PQR. They wanted us to prove triangle AMC. This triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR, and after proving the similarity, they are saying prove that CM upon RN is equal to AB upon PQ. Let us start the proof. First of all, what is given to us is that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If they are saying triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, then by the definition of similarity, we know that in these two triangles, all the angles will be equal and sides will be proportionate. Implies angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B equals to angle Q. And angle C is equal to angle R. Angles are equal and sides are proportionate. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon PQR and AC upon PR. So this information is already with us. If we want to prove that triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR, that means we have to come in these triangles using sides, given sides and angles. Here if you see that on the side AB, CM is median. That means this median is dividing AB into two equal parts. Where we are writing AB, and that place we can write double of AM. AM, if we multiply the value of AM with 2, we will get the value of AB. So here, if we replace AB with twice of AM, and similarly for this triangle, if we replace PQ by double of PN, rest will be like this only. Now what information should we keep with us? See, AM, this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Now see, AM upon PN. Now this BC and QR is not in this triangle, but AC and PR is here in this triangle, for which we want to prove similarity. That means we can write that AM, or straight away we can go to triangles. It will be second question. Now if we write in triangle AMC and triangle PNR, in these two triangles, AM upon PN is equal to AC upon PR. Proved in equation 2. And then we have written that angle A is equal to angle P here in given information. Angle A is equal to angle P. This is also given. That means in these two triangles, what is given to us? This angle A is equal to angle P, and this AM upon PN is same as AC upon PR. That means these two triangles are similar by the property of side angle side. This implies triangle AMC similar to triangle PNR. We have used sides and in between angle, so SAS similarity rule is used. Now we have proved that these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, that means AM upon PN is same as CM upon RN. And same as AC upon PR. This is by corresponding parts of similar triangles. Suppose equation 3. Now if you look at this equation number 3 as well as equation number 1. In equation number 1 they were saying that this AC upon PR is equal to AB upon PQ, and in equation number 3 they are saying AC upon PR is equal to CM upon RN. From equation 1 we have AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. This is already with us. So if we look at equation number 3 and equation number 4, we will be saying CM upon Rn is same as AB upon PQ. Comparing the two equations, AC upon PR is equal to CM upon Rn as well as it is equal to AB upon PQ. So from equation 3rd and 4th, we will be writing that CM upon Rn is same as AB upon PQ. This is what they wanted us to prove. So we are writing from equation 3 and 4, we have obtained that CM upon Rn is equal to AB upon PQ. Has proved.